Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter. This is probably my favorite floor plan if you're not looking for something that's a bunkhouse, especially if you don't want to spend 30-something grand, you know, and you don't want to have a big 3/4 ton or a diesel or something to pull it. This is half-ton towable. This is a 263 RL. Coachmen Catalina 2018 model, and this has the Legacy Edition package on it. So a couple of the things on the Legacy that it comes with is your power tongue jack up front, the bigger propane bottles. These are two 7.5 gallon propane bottles. Got a full pass-through up front here, stretches all the way across. This being a Coachmen product, also has tongue and groove plywood in the floor. Big difference as far as resale value, and it's a lot better than OSB that most of the industry uses. You've got a big power awning on the outside with an LED light strip in it. There's also LED lighting underneath both sides. There's a remote control that controls all that stuff. It comes with the Legacy package, and it's called the Starlight system. This thing stands out at night so you can see your steps without tripping on the stairs. You got awning out here that you can cover in case it's raining, but you also get to kind of sit out and camp out and you're not in the pitch dark. Inside here, this is why I like this floor plan. There are so many huge windows. Here, if you've got a better view of a highway, but sometimes you might have, you know, a river or the woods or the coast, something like that, you can back in out at the coast. A lot of natural light. There's a ton of windows in here. You have your two Lazy Boys in the back. Those are actual reclining name brand Lazy Boys. A lot of times they're just swivels or rockers. This is a hide-a-bed here, so instead of just being a flip-out jackknife, it folds out to a huge bed. Then you also have your dinette for a bed as well. This being a Coachmen product, your tabletops, your countertops, everything is seamless, no T-molding. Split sinks, a real tile backsplash instead of just a sticker. You have a glass range cover. The upgrade to the stainless steel appliances is also part of the Legacy package. A two-door Norcold fridge. You have a 32-inch TV with the pull-out swivel bracket. That's also part of the package with the DVD and Bluetooth. So you got a nice entertainment center. You can kind of sit in here on a rainy day. Everybody can kind of converse and watch a movie, whatever you want to do. Someone can cook and not everybody's tripping over everybody. Then you have a full bathroom in here. Glass shower doors, full stand-up shower, sink, medicine cabinet. And it's got an actual door. So you can close that area off from the people there and not disturb the people in the bedroom, because there's another sliding door in here too. Walk around queen bed. You have plugs on both sides of the bed, closets on both sides of the bed. There's enough room for a CPAP in this one, which is very popular with a lot of people. More and more people using those, and it's got good setup for that. Overhead storage, LED lights. Every light in here is pretty much LED now, so it'll drain very little off your battery. Over here you got a spot for a TV mount if you want to put a TV in the bedroom. Under here, you have a nice storage area. It's on a spring mechanism there that stays up for you, so you got two hands to get your stuff in and out. And you also have a window on this side and a screen door on the back side too, so you got two ways to get in and out of here, which is always a good thing. So here's your big picture window in the back. Full-size spare. You got a backup camera housing. If you ever want to add a backup camera to this, there's no camera in there, but the housing is there and all the wiring is already ran. It's really easy to pop one in there. Here's your big full 3-foot deep super slide. Everything centralized. Your drains, your outdoor shower, your city water connection, your cable satellite. You got hot and cold water with an extendable hose in your outdoor shower, and it hooks up right here. Your other side, the pass-through. Now this is towable by pretty much any half-ton for the most part, so you don't need a big giant truck. A lot of the bigger SUVs will actually be able to pull this too. So it's a wide range of vehicles that can pull it. Payment-wise, you're pretty close to the low 200s a month, which is always nice. It's not real long. It's not 30-something feet long. It's not 30-something grand. And it's kind of a really good package and a really good value with that Legacy Edition. Most of the stuff you see equipped like this is, like I mentioned, like 30-something grand, 40 grand. So it's a lot of bang for the buck, and one of my favorite floor plans. I got some other stuff that's similar to this and a whole bunch of stuff we didn't have time to go over. So if you want, give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City. Talk to you soon.